up, everybody? We are at what was the Days Inn, or the Windmill Inn, for the movie Sideways. They've changed it a little bit. Now it's called the Sideways Inn. And we're not staying here tonight. We're actually just checking it out because it's one of my favorite movies of all time. Still has the windmill, which is cool. I didn't want to film the pool, but the pool looks exactly the same as it does in the movie, which is really, really cool. The hot tub and everything's there. So this is the main entrance behind me. I'll take a picture of this and we'll film some of this. But I'm going to go to where I think their rooms were from the movie. So that right here is where the bar was in the movie. When I was here 11 years ago, it looked exactly the same as it did in the movies. It's obviously a lot different now. They renovated and changed it all up, made a nice fancy restaurant, which is fine. But I'm going to show you where I think they were staying in the movie based on where the hot tub is and everything else. So I think it was one of these rooms up here, and there used to be a stairway that came down. I think where that handicap thing is. So it's like, I'm going to say it's one of these 3 rooms on the second floor is where they were staying up there. This is where Miles was coming down the stairs and Jack got beat up with the motorcycle helmet after they bought sneakers. I think it was one of these rooms right here, judging by from what I see. And I think there was another building over here, which is right here. It would have been somewhere in this area right here. I'll have to match it up with the video. So I got it, boo. This being the last one to leave the picture post too. Whoopsie. Like we're in the movie. Bye, jumpers too. So we were at the Marriott here in, I believe we're in Buellton. I've stayed at this Marriott 11 years ago. It looks exactly the same. It's beautiful. It's like a Spanish villa. And we're on our way to LA today. So we just wanted to check out the hotel a little bit, walk around, see some sights. And as soon as we get everyone going, we're going to go. But I wanted to kind of show you around the hotel because it's really, really cool. And if you're staying in this area, definitely want to check this place out. Fire pits. Our room is up there. This is like the banquet. Convention center. Some 101s right over there. So we also got free breakfast for 2 if I run with 1,000 points, being Platinum Elite. I'm not sure if that's for everyone or I think that's just because of the status or whatever, but we prepaid also, so we got a little bit better. Dale said probably was the reason why, but it's worth the money. It's a nice hotel. It's close to everything, and I think we do wine tours out of here too, which is even better. Here in downtown Slovang. A little touch of Dutch in the middle of, I was gonna say Connecticut. California.
Definitely not in Connecticut.
Must be the bakery we're smelling. Like little Jeeps. Ooh, they got a yellow one. Ooh, they got a pink one. Those are pretty cool. Mokies? Or Moke?
Yeah, they say rent me.
You see him, Henry? You want a picture taken in front of him?
I love that picture. My mom loves Thomas Kincaid.
Oh, Vicky and Minnie?
Yeah. It's the painted ladies, the bridge, Slovang, Danish for sunny field.
Oh.
My gosh!
Oh my.
Henry, turn around. Take a picture for the Lego guy.
Cheese.
Look at Daddy.
Cheese.
Wow, that's a big Lego sweatshirt that Abby said.
Yeah.
Cake, cake, cake.
Must be 9 o'clock.
Oh, look at the little baby.
Puppets.
Hey!
They're bacon.
I would like to stay on one of these. These would be nice. Slovang.
Oh no.
Alesso College stuff. I feel like amusement parks try to emulate this like look sometimes.
Yeah.
It's a bathroom right there.
Do you need a piece?
In case you're watching this video and wonder where Charlotte is, she's sleeping. While we're walking around the town.
Artie's really getting into cleaning this windshield. Getting out that aggression.